Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another banger. Today you can see we got this huge, almost 30 kg haul, crazy big number. But without any further ado, let's unbox this thing. Yo! Everything on the ground, got some bangers in here. Supreme BOGO, got some Balenciaga, got some chrome over here. A lot of unbranded, got some Ralph and me. Guys, without any further ado, let's get into it. My first item we got here is this Balenciaga Shanghai tee. You already know, we were in Shanghai not too long ago. Had to get the Balenciaga to match right over there, Shanghai number 10. I've seen all the other colorways. Next up, I gotta pick up the Tokyo because I already fucking love this and I haven't even put it on yet. It's a little oversized, I'd say, just by looking at it, but I know with my fit I'm gonna put on, about to be fire. You can see Balenciaga logo right here, Balenciaga logo right here, Balenciaga logo right over here, Balenciaga right over here, fucking Balenciaga right. I think this is from Balenci. Dude, I'm unboxing this right now and it smells so bad. This is not the batch on my spreadsheet. I was testing a new batch from another spreadsheet. Don't put trash batches on your spreadsheet, bro. This shit smells like fucking ass. And we got here is this Balenciaga pair of that Balenciaga on the bottom too. Balenciaga loves writing their name everywhere, don't they? It says right over there. It's not that soft. It's not that good, honestly, if I'm being completely honest. And I'm also a little biased because it fucking smelled like Chinese factory glue when I opened this. I wouldn't recommend this item. I'd give it like probably a 4 out of 10, 3 out of 10. Alright, now we got this spider hoodie. Everyone's been telling me, dude, you don't get enough spider, this and that. Shut the fuck up. I got a spider hoodie for you guys. This isn't the one with the webs on it. My next haul, trust me, I got the one with the rhinestones on it on the way. But this is from Pika. Great seller, you can see. Very nice material. Hood, looking good. That kind of rhymes. I might have to go in a wrap. Let's take a look at the inside tag. It looks okay. I'm not the best on the inside tag stuff, but overall, this looks really good. All right, you got yet another spider hoodie. Puff print, very, very nice too. Not gonna lie. This is a very good puff print, good print in general. Inside, exactly what you'd expect from a hoodie. It's no rabbit, but it's up there. The material is low-key a little rough, but I think that just needs a wash. Oh, you can see over here, this inside tag, 10 times better than whatever the fuck was on the other one. And it also has this shiny tag. I'm not a spider expert myself. I have a bunch of spider experts in my Discord. Honestly, it's really up to them to tell you if this is a fucking good hoodie or not. But in my opinion, people only look at this. No one's ever gonna call you out realistically. All right, next we got these two from Chrome Hearts. Got this jersey first of all. This is like the most, like, not even being racist or anything, but it's like the most Mexican, like Hispanic shit I've ever seen. There's a pattern in this, like, gives me like some Mexico vibes, you feel me? San Diego vibes, you know what I mean? Chrome on the front. Get that shit out the way. Let's check out these shorts. Chrome on the back. Chrome on the front. I like this little chrome badge right here. Very chrome, very chrome. Take a look at the tag. Psych, no one gives a fuck about the tags, Ken. The next item we got is this Chrome Heart zip up, and dude, just look at this thing, man. Got the arm print. This is the same one that I've seen a lot of rappers wearing, a lot of underground rappers. I know y'all be buying off all trying to buy. Don't try to hide that shit. We fucking know. This one is from my website. Really, really good. Look at that. Over here, got this right here. Nice and well. Take a look at this zipper. Looks great. And that's a smooth zipper if I've ever seen a smooth zipper, team. Alright, so next item, got this Supreme hoodie right over here. Let's take a look at the hoodie itself, and damn, this is a soft hoodie. Let me get the inside. Oh my goodness. That's a good damn hoodie, brother. Cannot lie. I think I'd have to wash this one time before it gets to a size that I can actually wear it at. Man, that BOGO, that's a good BOGO right there. That just feels good. Got the tags. Made in my country, brother mans. You already know what it is. Yes, sir. And gets this little Supreme tag. It has this embroidery up here, 2020. Oh my god, I'm outdated. Fuck, dude. Ah. Next item we got here is this hooded bathrobe from Versace. You can see big ass fucking loops, big ass belt. And now here's the thing. Looks very Versace-esque. Very Versace. Take a look at the tag. Shout out to this brand. This is the only batch on the market, so I kind of had to buy it. Honestly, not the best. Material wise, I like it. I already have a bathrobe. This one is very bathrobe-esque, very bathrobe-y. Alright, next one we got some vintage Nike. You can see right here. This shit is beautiful, dude. This thing is damn beautiful. This looks so vintage. I don't know what the fuck else to say. It looks vintage. It's a very beautiful piece. Obviously, you get a wash. I got a size M. You need to shrink it down a little. Inside, softness check. It's no rabbit, but come on. It gets the job done for sure. Great layer. Dude, I love how this collar is just like layered like this as well. That's amazing. I don't have a single piece of clothing that does that. Very nice, very vintage, very 90s-esque. Alright, now this Ralph jacket right here is something that I saw in retail stores one time. Didn't bother to pick it up, and I was like, fuck it, might as well find it on all China buy. Overall, I'm not too happy with this jacket. One's color is off. Like, this color needs to be much, much lighter. I know some people who own the retail. I've seen it in hand. I've been right next to it, dude. I feel like this is supposed to be much lighter. This inside pattern, no one even gives a fuck about it, but it looks nice to me. You see Ralph Lauren Polo on the buttons. Goddamn. These next items got some dress shirts here. First of all, whoever repacked this Burberry shirt after doing the QCs, dude, come on, bro. Like, you can't be doing, what is this? Overall, this right here, I like the material. Very thin, obviously, just like a dress shirt should be, because you gotta layer up. Logo right here. Wow. All the tags and everything, you guys give a fuck. Moving on. The next one, Ralph logo. Ralph tags. I bought like a bunch of these. These ones are actually for my dad. That's why they're a size up. Overall, very nice. Alright, next item we got here are these two Ralph t-shirts, and I did not throw that in reverse, by the way. That was clean as fuck. This is super basic. I just got these because I saw one of my boys with them, and he put on a cool fit, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna steal that from you, bro. Last item we got Unbranded. Got this turtleneck. Very thermal-esque. Like, this seems more like an underlayer than something you wear on top. But very nice too. Next up we got these two little shirts. They are very textured, very nice too. And yeah, I just got them. They're unbranded, super duper cheap. They get resold online for a fuckload of money. Don't fall for that Korean store scam. This is made by a Chinese seller, not a Korean seller in the first place. Okay guys, I feel scammed for buying this. This is like the lightest knit product I've ever damn seen. I could rip this with my bare hands right now, and I'm 120 pounds. Don't know how much I bench, but yeah. Anyways, I can't believe I saw this shit getting resold for like $90, and it was one of the best sellers. You guys, whoever bought this, I don't know what the fuck you were doing. Turns out I accidentally ordered the same thing twice. I got it in different colorways. The seller sent me the same colorway, and now I got two of the same hoodie, or same sweater. Alright, so taking a look at this, this does need to be washed once. I got this in size large, remember. When you're buying unbranded, you gotta buy Chinese sizes, because these clothes are meant for the Chinese market. Funny story, there's a store that is super popular on like Pinterest and stuff, Real Takai. They resell these for $80. In fact, they sell all of Mr. CYC's catalog for like 3x the price, 4x the price, which is just fucking outrageous. Material wise, like it's cool, like it's good. I'd give it probably 6, 7 out of 10 on material. I haven't worn it yet, so I can't say too much. It looks, off first impressions, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Follow that thing out with another piece from Mr. CYC. I got this a size too large, it seems, but we'll see after the wash. All the clips you're gonna see of me wearing these are gonna be pre-wash, so sorry, because the fit's probably gonna be completely fucking different. Just ask in my Discord. Alright, this next item is for everyone who's asking me, Ken, where's the fucking cheap jackets? Here are the cheap jackets. This thing cost me what, like $25? I kid you not, $25. And dude, it looks amazing. When I put it out the bag, I was damn near like jaw on the ground flabbergasted. This shit is beautiful for $25. I don't know the heat rating on it exactly. Haven't worn it out in the cold. Overall, I'd say that if you're in need of a jacket, just hit up Mr. CYC. Korea is a pretty cold place. These are Korean inspired. I'd recommend them. And to go with that jacket, I also picked up this vest, because I know the Maya vest, even the version on the website, is super expensive, and I get that. I completely understand. So that's why I look for a lot of these like unbranded finds for you guys. While I can't speak for their cold rating just yet, But trust me, I'm gonna wear these bad boys out there in the cold, and I'll let you guys know how they hold up, because they are jackets. They have like proper padding. I can feel all the padding and shit. All right, over here we got another jacket, also from Unbranded brand. Yeah, Best X Terrific. Come on, man, these guys need to use ChatGPT more. Overall, I love this. Like, what the hell? Look at this big ass pocket right over here. Got corduroy details, corduroy over here on the collar. Take a look at that. Boom. Nice color on the buttons as well. I very much like this. Inside, very polyester, but I can deal with that. This is just like an overlayer. Honestly, I really like this. If you're into like the Korean style and stuff, dude, Mr. CYC, one of the best for that style. Go tap in. Before I get all these comments saying, dude, do you even wear pants? Where are the pants in this haul? Yes, I do wear pants. You can see this is from Mr. CYC again, the GOAT. If you're looking for some more branded shit, trust me, dude, I got a bunch of Acne Studios, a bunch of other shit coming. One of these next hauls. But yeah, over here we can see that's a real fucking nice button if I've ever seen a nice button. It's just so like very button-esque. But yeah, overall, these look a little small, I'm not gonna lie. Should've sized up, but I'm gonna probably just give these away because off rip, I'm not gonna lie, these feel hella cheap. Nothing compared to the Gideon N jeans. That guy is bestseller on Taobao, I swear. Okay, yes, I do wear pants. Yes, I do wear pants. Sometimes. Fuck you. These are very wide. Very wide. I bought a lot of black pants, but these are just a little wider. What am I even doing with my money? Next item right here, we got this long coat from Mr. CYC. Material wise, it's not crazy. I've seen my dad's like super expensive ones and they feel a lot better, but I'm not gonna lie, I paid I think $35 for this. Super duper cheap. I don't know how the quality is wearing it in the cold, but just from the material, it's okay. Fake pockets, okay. My mom's gonna fucking hate this. Inside pockets, check. One quick note, I just want to add, the tags are inspired by Off-White. You can see it's not Off-White, but it looks just like Off-White. I'm surprised they included a hanger. Like, it's kind of like a cool hanger. Mystery item, guys. Let's take a look. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know what I got in here. I just be ordering shit, guys. It's an addiction. I mean, oh, it's another coat. It is another coat. Boom. Get that out the way. Very nice too. That laying out of there. All right, this last item we got here, boys. This a mean knit sweater, or pullover I should say, because that's really what it is. Again, it looks really big right now, but I think after a wash it'll be the perfect size. Honestly, as my editor said, does not disappoint. Pretty happy with it.